Welcome to Mrs. T's Reviews.
You're not even in the video.
Oh, and Mr. T is over here.
Okay.
All right.
Welcome to Rachel T's Reviews. So this is Pro Wrestling Crate. We currently get 2 different wrestling crates. We get Wrestle Crate USA and then Pro Wrestling Crate. Their websites are kind of set up the same, so I'm honestly not sure if they're even different people or not. But
Just double dipping.
this is $29.95. They have a one that you can like just get pins, and it's, I want to say, like $10. They have some for just stickers. They have a lot more options with the Pro Wrestling Crate than they do with Wrestle Crate USA. You can get they have a light Wrestle Crate, and they have just a regular Wrestle Crate with the other one. But we're talking about Pro Wrestling Crate.
Pro Wrestling.
So with Pro Wrestling, every box comes with 2 shirts. The other one, you get 1 shirt and normally something else. So it kind of depends on if you're wanting shirts or not as to what it is that you're getting. So
Spoiler, get out of here.
the theme of this box, this is the Halloween one, right? So it was supposed to be like masks and something else, I thought.
I think so.
We're not going to flip that over yet. So this has 2 shirts. Well, that's like sale stuff.
No coupon needed.
Okay, whatever. Get to the shirts.
Get to the shirts.
These are
First
kinda
things
nifty.
first. Oh, nice.
I can't see any of my glasses.
Ultimate Warrior.
Show the people.
R.I.P. Always Believe. Ultimate Warrior, very colorful gentleman.
This one looks
Back in its heyday.
cool.
So that would make sense with like the Halloween theme with the masks and stuff.
I saw stuff.
And then this one.
I cheated. I left. I don't know if this thing tells you.
I don't know who that is. It's a cool shirt. It says Go.
Is it this one? Gorillas
Must be.
of Destiny shirt, crowned.
Never heard of them, but it's a really cool shirt.
It looks really cool. It definitely has that Halloween kind of vibe to it, I guess. It looks like crowned gorilla to me, so we'll see.
That would make
That's
sense.
probably what it is.
The gorilla, yeah. Okay.
It
That's
looks
a cool shirt nonetheless.
They don't have prices on theirs, but they say that each box is at least $100 worth of stuff.
Ooh.
That's cool.
Little micro brawler. Papa Shango. Many characters during his heyday, but Papa Shango was one of his more
So far, every box we've
famous
gotten
ones.
has come with one of these as well. And a pin as well. War Machine.
War Machine. Not to be confused with War Machine. But this is wrestling. War Machine. Pin.
Yeah, it just says exclusive collector's pin. It also comes with a interview with...
That's a shoot interview.
A shoot interview, sorry. With Glacier.
Talented fella. Wish he would have got more recognition, but, you know, that day and age had a lot of talent.
Lucha,
Oh, Lucha.
Lucha.
Oh, that's cool.
That is really
I'm
cool.
putting it on.
It actually comes with you gotta lace it all up. It comes unlaced, but we'll have him just put the mask on while I get this autograph or picture out.
I just won't tie it. Lucha, Lucha.
Alright. So, yeah, it was the masks and paint theme. There wasn't really paint, was there? Unless one of these people did a lot of paint, I guess. He did.
Papa Shango.
He's got
Warrior
some
always had
paint.
face
They've
paint.
always got, yeah, I guess all of them kind of have some paint or a mask.
Mask, Glacier.
Lucha Mask by Rey Mysterio.
That's Rey Mysterio.
Well, it also says Dr. Manger Jr. and Mystico or Blue Demon. And then this is...
Marty's girl.
Let's see, this is... Certified
Who
by
is
Pro
he?
Wrestling Crate.
Different character, Ring of Honor. Kind of that Halloween vibes, nonetheless.
Yeah, I like this crate. This one's pretty cool. Yeah, you can see he's got a little
Caw-caw!
feet kind of thing going on there.
Got that that to our collection.
Yep. Have to put this box with the other box and kind of put everything together. But this is just showing 40% off Pro Wrestling PWT. What is T? Oh. Where are they? It's so far for you to have to go.
While she shows you this card,
he's going to show you something that I found at a store somewhat nearby. Okay, so if you spend, this is showing Black Friday sale, November 21st through November 26th, in-store and online, no coupons needed. You spend $150, you get free shipping worldwide. I think that's a lot of money to have to spend just for free shipping. That's ridiculous. Spend $100 and get 5 Pro Wrestling Crate Overstock collectibles. I don't know if you saw my other video where I got, I don't remember how many items, 10 or 12 or something like that items. The prices weren't bad, but it said it would be like a variety of items. You wouldn't get any repeats. All I got was like 10 pins. They were all different pins, but 10 collectible pins and then 1 poster. So I was kind of disappointed.
what was this?
I was just going through stuff. 20% off everything. 40% off the Pro Wrestling Tees logo merchandise. 30% off.
New Japan Pro Wrestling own merchandise.
Maybe I knew that.
You
don't
didn't
think
know
of that. And then 20% off everything else. Isn't that ridiculous that you have to spend $150 plus to get free shipping worldwide?
But that's worldwide. It's all over the world.
Yeah, but
That'd be
how much
expensive.
is it for just here? It doesn't say how much you have to spend to get free
We
shipping.
don't pay shipping, do we?
Yeah, we do. Not for this. I'm talking about like their merchandise. That's what this is. Anyway,
All right.
he's got stuff
So
to
Wifey
show you.
Poo came back from a
I got it from Gordman's.
Gordman's. Okay, I didn't know exactly where it was.
I know by looking at the tag. What are you looking at?
Not even a tag on here.
There is. Definitely look on the front.
Oh,
That's the Gordman's.
Gordman's tag. But anywho,
By the way, this was $3.99.
their price was $12.99, so we got a bargain. What percentage is that?
Don't tell me. Don't
Anywho,
ask.
it's Pez dispensers, but they're John Cena, The Rock, and Undertaker. I don't even want to open them, but they're really
I
cool.
can get you another if you want to open one.
No, I don't. The lighting though.
Just turn it on. Double tap.
There we go.
Okay, I was about to go. Turn
But it's pretty cool. Pez dispensers, Taker, The Rock, and John Cena.
I think they look cool in the man cave. We
That's
gotta
gonna
get
be
this
man cave-esque.
sticker off of it though. 'Cause-
Don't mess it up.
do you want me to leave the sticker on?
Well, don't mess with the box.
I won't.
Pro sticker.
Uh-oh.
Oh, spoke too soon.
Alright, well I don't want to do this on video. So, it's going to be a long video. Don't do it. I got the nails.
Babe.
So yeah, I've been trying to find random stuff for his man cave. Oh, you didn't show him our candy dispenser thing or peanuts dispenser.
Babe, that's not wrestling related.
It's still cool.
It is cool. Maybe in the next video.
Alright, fine, whatever.
But it is cool.
But anyway, so that was $29.95 for that box. And they have 2 shirts guaranteed in every box. The other one usually has those like Funko Pop figurines in almost every box.
Pumpo? A pop figure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pop.
So if you like that type of stuff more than shirts, then get that box. If you like these more.
I thought these had the pop figurines. No, that's it.
These ones have 2 shirts. The other one will have a pop figurine. We'll see what it is. Anyway, bye!
Bye!